sunny Saturday, and we're just riding along the waterfront. We thought we would go up north today, but actually, you know what happened? What happened? Our car broke down again. The battery seems to be really done, so had to bring the car to the garage. But I mean, there's still a lot to explore here in the city, so we're just heading down to the ferry, and I'm actually not sure whether the ferry runs on the weekends. So if I look over there, it doesn't look very crowded over there. Don't see anybody standing in line. They just opened up the ferry, I think on May 5th, but it says only for work days. So maybe we got to stick on the Jersey side for today. We thought we might ride up the Manhattan waterfront. That looks pretty unrealistic. Yeah, that is closed. So the PASS train is still running. We're just getting a ticket here, and we'll get the PASS train over. It's pretty empty, as you can see here. Pretty much no one around. Hello everyone. So today we're riding along the waterfront of Manhattan up north to Washington Bridge, George Washington Bridge, and it's a beautiful sunny day today again, and you can see nature is really developing. Have a look at these beautiful purple allium bulbs, they're called. It's one of my favorite flowers, actually, to be honest. Look at that. Beautiful.
On the Manhattan side, just up the Hudson to the Washington Bridge, and it's just so beautiful. Lots of people are out trying to keep a distance and just enjoying this beautiful weekend. So it feels like the start of summer here in New York. Take a look.
many people out here. We made it up all the way to George Washington Bridge. It's still beautiful and sunny, and I think next to it we should even venture even further up north. There's a really awesome brewery also. It takes us an hour and a half more up north to Captain Brewing Company.
Captain Lawrence Brewing Company.
Captain Lawrence Brewing Company, right on. And yeah, right behind us there's George Washington Bridge. And if we turn around here, you can see all the way down to Manhattan. Steep climb up here. Doesn't look that steep, but it is. Up to George Washington Bridge. So we arrived back home after a beautiful ride along the Hudson River today, and showered and refreshed, and how can you finish such a day better than with a sundowner and with some wonderful vegan dinner.
And I cannot wait to have that dinner. Yeah.
So what did you make here, Marion?
We made it together, so I didn't make it alone. It's just a quick bowl, to be honest. So we have some kale, we have some tempeh, homemade sauerkraut, 2 colors. We love that, and then veggies, and some hummus, and then also a few seeds here. And then we have a small dessert. It's just a chia with cacao powder and a little bit of coconut milk, blueberries, and pecan nuts.
Yeah, just a little.
Well, we
bit.
always have that in the
So
fridge,
let's have
right?
a close look at that.
Some beer.
Oh yeah, that's our first. Actually, Marion made that. Full credit goes to Marion. That wonderful home fermented sauerkraut.
Yeah, it's something from our home countries, right? So in
Yeah.
Austria and Germany, it's really traditional to eat sauerkraut.
And look at that. Oh my God.
But that's really easy.
That looks wonderful. I love that stuff.
Yeah, normally we have lots of cocoa flakes on it, but we had so many cocoa flakes already for the breakfast that I thought it's better to maybe leave them out.
Alrighty. And with that view onto Manhattan from up here, sun coming down. You can see the new Hudson Yards in the very back there. And yeah, World Trade Center is hiding far in the right there. Empire State looks somewhat tiny from here. But yeah, what a beautiful day. So, can't wait for the next ride.
Yeah.
Bon appetit.